The 2008 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag on-off switch, passenger airbag, brake assist, auxiliary audio input, power outlet, cloth seats, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, heated exterior driver mirror, split bench seat. This vehicle qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Vasser with Jimmy Vasser Chevrolet and Jimmy Vasser Toyota, and welcome to our digital showroom. I want to personally thank you for giving us the opportunity to earn your business and to show you why you should come down and experience the difference here at Jimmy Vasser. We're located in the heart of downtown Napa. Jimmy Vasser, our family serving your family for over 15 years. Thank you.